Hey guys, what's up? My name is Giuseppe Gaspari, and thank you so much for joining me today and clicking on this link. What we are doing today is exactly what you think it is and what it said in the title above. We are linking Claude directly to Google Search Console. Now, Claude Code or ChatGPT, whatever you feel like using, okay, you're gonna be needing to make sure that your website is optimized for Google if you want to compete on Google. You want to get those juicy search clicks. We're gonna have to compete for those. Now, what I wanted to do was update something that I made before. Now, what I made before was this feature, and it was a kind of a feedback loop where you would go into your Search Console, kind of copy paste or scrape it, and then load that into your Claude with some research. It would give you kind of your next steps. What I've found out now is that Google has a bunch of APIs and stuff like that where you can literally kind of jump on and link it directly to your Google Search Console for whatever project you happen to be working on. So if there are errors, correct those automatically. If there are issues, correct those automatically. If there are keywords that you want to research or explore, check those automatically. Building lists, optimizing lists, checking what you're already competing for, what you want to be doing, where you want to go next. This is all stuff that is super valuable. So what I'm doing here and what will be available in the description and also forever will be available forever in my school community if you so choose to join, will be sort of the standard operating procedure or the SOP for this project exactly. So if you want to connect your Claude directly to your Search Console so you can get those juicy search clicks and collect all of that awesome information to make your business, website, whatever, perform better, we're going to be doing it right here. We're going to do it live. I'm going to do this here. You might see the edited version by the time we're all done. Regardless, this is kind of what we're going to be up to. Okay, so this is the plan. We're going to go with it. Now, this is the SOP I created. I'm going to start going through it. At Google console.google.cloud, you make a new project. We're going to call it GSC Cloud GSC test. We're going to click create, wait a couple minutes. Boom. Okay, now this is all going to be available in my school community for you to do whatever you want with. Hopefully, you're doing some rank and rent, which is a product service business model that I've been using a lot, and I teach people in my school community how to do that. So you make your business, you make a website, you rank it, you sell the leads, you rent out the leads, and you make the money on that. So websites, I have a code, I have projects, and you can make them overnight or even faster. With my code, you can get something beautiful that ranks automatically. All of the steps are loaded and available. If you do like this content, please like and subscribe. You are absolutely beautiful, and I love you. Thank you so much for watching this. Now let's get into it. This should be created now. I think this is exactly what we're doing. So let's follow the next steps. In Google Cloud search bar, type in Search Console API. Let's do that. I'm going to type in Search Console API. We're going to click Enable. Create a service account. So in the left sidebar, API services and credentials. API, there you go. What is it? Credentials? Create credentials. Credentials. We're going to create credentials, and we will go API service account. So we're going to go service account. We'll call it Claude Test SA. Click create and continue. Skip permission steps, click done. Great. Okay, now we are going to create a JSON key. So click the service account you created, go to the keys tab, add key, click create new key. So I kind of need this open for whatever reason, even though I'm reading it to you guys, like, I don't know if it's just my dyslexia or what, but like, I'm just forgetting kind of everything I'm saying as I'm saying it, kind of blacking out because I'm so excited to be recording. Thank you for clicking on this. Again, I know it's a thing, super pumped. All right, so we're going to go to where now? Create JSON key. So in the service account, go to the keys tab. Keys tab. Here's the keys tab. And then we're going to click add key, create new key. And we are going to select JSON. Yeah. Click create. Great. We're going to download the file automatically. Yeah. Save. It's downloaded. It's pretty secure. Okay. Paste the service account email from the JSON here. I'll help you add it to your GSC property, run the test script, validate everything works. Set permission to owner. Wait 5. Okay, we're in. This is a thing. Now we're going to go tell me your GSC property URL. That property you're testing with. We're testing with this one. Okay, it's a 30-second setup now. Create the folder. Copy the config. Edit the Claude JSON. Oh my God, it's doing a lot of work in here. This utility to that project. Okay, now let's run a test on this. And search keywords from Google. Search console for me. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that's sick. Oh my God, it works, guys. And there you have it. There are your search keywords. Yeah, that's it. So anyways, this is it, guys. It's done. We did it. It's good to go. So this is how you do it. And now I can just ask whatever questions I need directly into this. And there you go. You can start working on it yourself, put it together, whatever you feel like doing. This is going to be trimmed down. It's going to be succinct for you. There will be some commands. If you comment in the section below with, hey, could I have a Google Search Console prompt? I will give it to you. Thank you for watching to the end. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you clicked on this, you are beautiful, amazing. I love you. Thank you so much. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.